So I don't really know what's going down today. I'm just gonna go head to Starbucks and meet up with T-Mass and Paul and just hang out with them, man. I think they're gonna, T-Mass is gonna shoot Paul's car. So I'm just gonna go so I can hang out with my friends. This side's chrome. This side's brushed. And this car's on bags. He just aired up right now. And my car's way over there.
My Christian Louboutin bleeding. I'm smoking more rock, shawty, and I feel the ceiling. I might take off on you peons and go way to Venus. I'm a star, so I put a neutron on my pinky. I'm moonwalking, but my Christian Louboutin bleeding. I'm smoking more rock, shawty, and I feel the ceiling. I mean you.
Yo, look at this. That is sick. That is sweet, man. We just got to a little spot that we're gonna shoot at. That whatever that was, like, I don't even know what it is, like a Model A or some crap. I don't know old cars like that. That was really sick. You never see those on the road. Damn. Fire. We out here.
Windows will come out.
God damn it, dude.
Goodwin, how old are
Wait,
you?
on to the bangers.
How old are you?
Nah, Liberty Walk is bad for my car. Liberty Walk looks cool for yours, it doesn't look cool for mine. Take a rip.
Too late now, you know, she broke it out of nowhere too.
I know.
Come on.
Why?
I just want to see you vape.
What's the big deal?
There's not a big deal. I want to slow-mo it. I want to slow-mo you vaping.
I look like
Alright, I'll put a emoji on your face. But there'll be smoke coming out.
White J's, white Porsche, white wrist, white horse, high bit.
Hell yeah, that was
so
cool.
You guys.
That was freaking cool.
I gotta go do my presentation.
The tire smoke's yellow.
Ted said he wants to come do hood.
Yellow is green.
Damn.
Ted said he wants to come do hood red.
Tell him come do Hoodrat for the vlog. Damn, T-Mass.
A little burnout.
He was getting it.
Nothing special.
Nothing special. Yo, what up, Ted?
What's up?
Look at that fat ass handbrake. And the Pokeball. And the steering wheel with the little leaves on it. Come on, son. Killing it. Best drift car ever. I like the new fenders. Looks really good. With the CTS brakes in there. Fat as hell. And 326 lugs. ATSV, my bad. Still big. There it is. With the camera in the hand too.
Yeah.
I got a question for you.
What's up?
Why does your wheel have 2 valve stems?
That's the way they come.
Really?
One of them's a TPMS sensor, the other one's just a like normal whatever.
That's pretty tight. Race car AF. I like these a lot.
Yeah, this one is the normal. This one is my stock TPMS sensor. You know, you guys got to do it right. When you putting wheels on your car, you got to make sure your pressures are good. Always keep this shit on you. When you're trying to get that icy exhaust to get a little bit of that. Oh damn! Icy boy.
Woo!
Icy as.
Woo! Damn.
That's how you do it.
That wing. Race car. Drift car. Stands car. Stands car. Ted's gonna teach me how to drift when I get my car, since he's sick.
Just practice where you can't hit a curve, and you'll be fine.
Gotcha. I'll note that in my drift notes. Rule 1, practice with no curbs. Got it. Rule 2, pull the handbrake, floor it. What's up, dog? This is Marcelo's beautiful, beautiful car. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, I love it. So perfect. 2 and 2 or no?
Yeah, it's on 93 right now. I want to put it on 85. this guy, bro. Get one, bro.
It's so expensive.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, bro. I know.
She said she was gonna put my song on. This is what she put on.
For my life, can't say that, cause I'm saying I always play that shit. You ain't getting nothing that I'm saying. Don't tell me you ain't nothing like some other motherfuckers. I can make you rich. I can make you this, baby. I can make you that.
We're at like the secret drift spot. Super secret. And it's for drifting. And Ted's gonna do some sliding. You know, it's a daily for him. No big deal. Damn, he was right on me. That was good. You were right on me too. Alright, well, I want another angle.
What do you want? What do you want to be in the car?
No, not yet. One more outside. All right,
Drift with no shoes?
Barefoot. Drift barefoot. Like I want your like back end to go right by me. Okay, I'll stand by there.
So you want me to get as close as possible?
Yeah. As close as possible. When he did donuts around me, he was literally right on me. I was like trying to follow him so I could be closer, and then he got right on me, and I looked at the camera and I was like filming his lug nuts. That's how close he was. I kid you not, probably a feet from my shoes. It was ridiculous.
Damn, bro, you're drifting on 3 lugs.
He's got wires showing right there.
Well, here's 3. This side's 3.
There's 4 there.
No, there's 4.
After I hit this light, let's go back to that spot.
Hey, you're gonna drift. I'm gonna be in the middle. You can drift around me.
Yeah, we can do that. But
Which
after this hit, let's go back to where all the cars were.
All right.
Oh, okay.
Got some spares in the back, no big deal. And a helmet. Hell yeah. Alright, we're getting out of here. We're getting the F out of here. But it was super fun. T-Master is gonna do a little burnout to end this video off. Front wheel drive. We'll see what he got. And that's a wrap. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
Why they wanna be me? It's not what it seems. Running to the bank, putting wet on my Achilles. We been thumbing blue faces like they Washingtons. On a run from MIA up to Washington.